Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to clear WhatsApp storage without delete anything, your photo, video and any another file. Okay, let's see friends, I show you. First friends, you open your WhatsApp and click here settings, and here have option storage and data. Click here, and friends click here, scroll down and click here. So friends, all storage clear ready without deleting any photo, video and other file. So very simple or easy friends, you also can very easily clear your WhatsApp storage without deleting anything. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.